Top 5 Best Drone 4K. Searching for the best drone you can buy? You've come to the right place. Whether you're a novice pilot in search of your first flying machine or a seasoned aerial enthusiast looking to upgrade to a pro drone, we've reviewed and ranked all of the best drones available. If you're searching for the best beginner drone, check out our separate buying guide on that. 1. Diagonal wheelbase without paddles, 115mm. Maximum size of the aircraft without antenna, cable tie, 180mm. Aircraft weight without battery, 53 grams. Motor, TH1103-7000 kV. Propeller Avon Rush 2.5-inch propeller. Flight controller F4MATEK F411RX firmware. ESC, 4-in-1 5A. Receiver, compatible with FRSKY remote control D8, D16 mode. VTX, 25mW adjustable frequency 37CH. Battery, 1 cell 450 mAh HV LiPo battery ×2. Product list. 1. Tinyhawk Freestyle ×1. 2. Instruction manual ×1. 3. EMAX 1S HV 450 mAh ×2. 4. Charger ×1. 5. Extra propeller set 2XCW, 2XCCW. 6. Screw pack X1. Top 2. New SG906 Pro Drone 4K HD Mechanical Gimbal Camera 5G Wi-Fi GPS System supports TF card drones distance 1.2 km flight 25 minutes. Feature, SG906 Pro feature, product name SG906 Pro SG906 Brushless motor 18062 axial stabilized mechanical pan tilt support TF card, up to 32 GB receiving method 2.4G flight endurance 25 minutes charging time 360 minutes remote control distance 1200 meters fuselage battery 7.4 volts 2800 mAh fuselage dimension 28.3 x 25 3 by 7 cm opened 17.4 x 8 4 by 7 cm folded body weight 551.8 grams rotation angle of ELC. Rotatable camera 110 degrees angle of aerial photography 120 degrees distance of image return 600 to 800 m flying height, about 0 to 120 m distance of GPS 30 m distance of image follow 3 to 10 m recognizable distance of gesture photo 1 to 3 m transmission frames rate 25 fps photo resolution 4096*3072 TF 4096*3072 app video resolution 2048*1080 TF 1208*720 app HD mode 2048*1080 app package color boxer carry bag package weight about 1.4 kilograms. Top 3. Drone Professional 4K HD Camera Gimbal Drone Brushless 5G Wi-Fi GPS System supports 128 GTF card RC distance 1.5 km F11 Pro RC drone. Item no F11 Pro GPS follow me, about 30 meters frame rate, 25 fps controller frequency, 2.4 GHz image follow me, about 3 to 10 meters control distance, 600 meters, free interference and no occlusion. Storage, support SD card, not included drone battery, 11.1 volts 2500 mAh age, GE14 video resolution, 1920x1080p f11. Photo resolution, 1920x1080p f11, video resolution, 1920x1080p by phone, 2592x1520p by SD card f11 Pro, photo resolution, 3840x2160p by phone, 2592x1520p by SD card f11 Pro. Controller battery, 3.7 volts 300 mAh quadcopter size, 450 by 425 by 83 mm unfolded, 192 by 130 by 83 mm folded. Weight, about 490 grams. Motor 1806 brushless motor. Item name SJRCF11RC brushless. Drone charging time, about 3.5 h. Flight time, about 25 minutes. GPS, GLONASS double. 5G Wi-Fi. Image transmission distance, 400 to 500 meters. Camera, 120-day wide-angle camera. Features, 25 minutes max flight. The high-capacity 2500 mAh intelligent battery yields up to 25 minutes flight time. Top 4.
Adopt a precise GPS positioning system. New upgraded
SG906 Pro is a foldable and brushless RC quadcopter that obtains switchable optical flow, dual camera and 2-axis mechanical self-stabilizing head. The long flight time up to 25 minutes and 50 times zooming camera. The Ultra HD 4K aerial photograph and long flight time allow you to take more beautiful pictures and videos and experience a better aerial photograph process. Specifications. Item name, Beast SG906 Pro GPS Smart Drone. Drone size,
toward obstacle avoidance. Easily avoid the various obstacles. 50 times zoom. Clearer video recording. Football body. Power 8 Wifi.
25 min satellite positioning module. GPS, GLONASS Wifi frequency. 5G
Capture
max
every
5
moment
altitude,
in real
about
time.
120
HD
USB
4K
charging, 5
adjustable
volts,
camera.
pressure sensor,
3-axis
high-sitting electric
mechanical
power
stabilizing
adjustment, 30
Gimbal.
brushless
New
motor,
EMAX.
1806 motor power, 1700 kV. Top 5. While they might seem like toys, a high-quality quadcopter is a serious investment and an easy way to add production value to a film project, or get a unique view on the world for your travel vlog. We've flown plenty, and these are the best drones in our tests. Professional SG907 Pro GPS professional drone with 5G Wi-Fi professional 4K HD 2-axis gimbal camera supports TF card optical flow RC quadcopter drone PKSG906 Pro. Main selling points. 1. Equipped with a 2-axis gimbal self-stabilizing 4K camera. 2. Equipped with Sony INX179 camera, Super HD aerial photography. 3. GPS function, GPS 1 key return, GPS positioning, GPS low battery return, GPS follow, etc. 4. Support SD card, aerial video and photos are automatically saved in SD card. 5. Smart lithium battery upgrade from 7.4 volts to 7.6 volts 1600 mAh. 6. SG907 PRO weighs about 285 grams. Recommended model. 1. iOS. Product model iPhone 6 and above, iPhone 6 and above. System version iOS 8.0 and above, iOS 9.0 and above. 2. Android. CPU model. Snapdragon 630 and above, Samsung Exynos 7420 and above, Helio X25 hair department and above, Kirin 950 and above. Snapdragon 835 and above, Samsung Exynos 8895 and above, Helio X30 hair department and above, Kirin 970 and above. Features. The GPS returns to the takeoff point with one button and the low power returns to the air, and there is no signal to return. GPS Smart Follow. After the aircraft links to GPS, the app follow function is turned on, and the aircraft follows the mobile phone. Image following, 1 to 5 meters from the aircraft to identify the subject and perform automatic follow-up flight. Gesture shooting recognition, within 1 to 5 meters from the aircraft, make a camera gesture included. 1x quadcopter, 1x USB charging cable, 1x remote control, 1x screwdriver, 4x blades, 1 by 7.6 volts 1600 mAh LiPo battery, 1x manual. Check description and big discount now. Thanks for watching. Check description and more details. Link in the description. Thanks for watching.